Hey, Nikki and Carrie, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Nikki. In this quick video, I'm going to give you all 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lawnsmith. Because if you guys type in roofing DFW, these guys show up at the top. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably asking why I'd even make you this video. I just found out there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, I was going through your website. You guys did a great job on the website. I'm sure you know this. It's a beautiful looking website. I was reading your story. Very cool. You guys have been on for a long time. Tons of roof installs. Your website design is absolutely phenomenal. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking any of your pages is content, all this stuff that you can read and highlight. And the average page on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content. So if you wanted to rank this DFW page, you'd kind of want to start there. You can see you're at 369. While if we go look at Lawnsmith, you can see they're at 1,055. So this is one of the big reasons that that page is outranking yours. But by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. It's also going to give you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I pulled up a few of them for you. There's way more than this, but I wanted to keep this video short. But like, for example, DFW roofing, 250 people search this every month. Roofing DFW, 200 people search that every month. DFW roofing pro, 150 people search that every month. So if you're number one for just these 3 keywords, you'd be number one in front of 600 people in DFW who wanted to purchase roofing. Imagine how much that would change your business. But as you see, if I search this Dallas-Fort Worth page, which great job by having its own page, you're not using these keywords on it. So you want to make sure that you have these keywords inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords too. So like, I see you don't have any images on this page besides this logo, but like, for example, the logo, instead of logo light, this could be called DFW roofing. You probably wouldn't want to do that on your main logo, but insert in some images in here and that'll help you rank. And you can see how these guys are using keywords right here, like Fort Worth Roofing Company, stuff like that. All right, so that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. It says you have 143 websites linking to you right now. So great job. Lawnsmith has 334 websites linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them because they've done all the hard work for you. If these 334 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my homepage. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like, Angie hit join our pro network. Yellow Pages hit sign up. Super Pages hit join. Create a free profile, and then in your free profile, you put a link to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really simple to do. It just takes some time. But once you copy their content, copy their backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone will be enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. If you want to show up number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. Citations when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So I would figure out what directories DFW Roofing Pro was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. If DFW Roofing Pro was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Carrie and Nikki. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this page. You're going to want to have these keywords inside of your content. Feel free to just pause the video and use this so you don't have to pay for any software to get this data for you. You can just take it straight from this video. Then get the websites linking to Lawnsmith and get them linking back to yourself. And put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in DFW Roofing Pro. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what most of your competitors are doing. If you decide to go this route, the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Nikki. I hope this video was helpful for you, Carrie, and I hope you all have an awesome day. I'll see you later.